Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at a cordless 4.5-inch angle grinder by Porter cable. We'll review it, demonstrate it, and give our final opinion on it. This device has a genuinely affordable price, a cast metal gear housing, a high-performance motor that produces 8,500 RPM, a 3-position side handle for ease of use, and a spindle lock for easy wheel switching. This cutoff tool/grinder is part of Porter Cable's 20-volt max system and can be purchased separately or as part of a combo kit. Red, black, and gray, just like all Porter Cable power tools, this grinder comes with an ergonomic design that reduces user fatigue. In addition to the rubberized back handle, the model has a 3-position side handle that enhances user control over the device. The power tool does not include a battery, but it does come with 2 guards for cutting and grinding, 2 cutting discs, 1 grinding disc, the side handle, and a user manual. Now, let's have a closer look. The cast metal casing of the unit houses a high-performance engine that achieves a maximum speed of 8,500 RPM. If these features sound interesting to you, the PCC 761 just might be the right tool for you. The included spindle lock mechanism makes wheel swapping a very straightforward process. The warranty is limited to 3 years. As far as cheaper cordless grinders/cutting tools go, the PCC 761 is undoubtedly among the best. We were blown away by the quality and the power of this tool. Its capabilities make it a great choice for hobbyists and DIYers, as well as for those who need a reliable cutting and grinding power tool for their smaller projects. This video isn't sponsored. I am giving you my honest opinion and review. Thank you for watching.